Hello, my name is Ky Luu, and we'll be doing an on-location portrait shoot with the new Godox 100 Pro free light backpack kit. This CB20 backpack is big enough to hold 2 camera bodies plus 2 lenses. Included in the backpack are 3 AD100 Pro, AK R1 kit, also the very useful UBL85T umbrella, which is a translucent umbrella. And it also comes with a black diffuser to further enhance the power of your output. Also included is the UBL85S umbrella, and that is a silver umbrella with a diffuser to further soften your light. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the official Godox channel. And now, let's jump straight into the photo shoot. Our first location is at the beautiful historic Port Adelaide, where we photographed beautiful G under the old historic boat ramp. For this image, I used a free light setup. One 45° to her right, reflecting off a silver umbrella. Another to her left. The third light at the back to make her pop from the background. Because this is an overcast day, I also attached an orange gel to the backlight to mimic a warm sun glow. Now, 99% of photographers will probably put the backlight on an angle to mimic the sun shining through from the side of the image. But sometimes I just love to not follow the rule and want to do something different. I want people to know this is a fake light actually, and not from the sun. Sometimes this will create more attention. I want the viewer to be drawn to the light, then to the model's face before everything else in the image. To make the sun ray even more apparent from the third light, I made sure my aperture was really high. In this case, it was at least f10. Here is the image without any light. As you can see, the image is very flat. Here's the image with just one light. And look at the difference when the image has 2 lights in it. Now, to make the image pop even more, this is where I added the third light with the orange gel at the back, and purposely asked the model to move a bit to the side so that I can see the light shining through. For the next image, we found a charming old fishing boat and noticed the amazing clouds that were forming from the back. Because the sun was at the back of the model, I'm so thankful that I have the Godox free light lighting kit with me. I immediately asked G to sit on the edge of the boat. Here is the image without any light. As you can see, with the sun in the back, G, our model, his face, the body is very black. I placed the Godox 100 Pro to the right with a grid to direct the light and focus it onto G. This is the image with only one light that was used. Another one to the left. Here's the image with only 2 lights that was used. And finally, a third light to illuminate her stunning leg and dress. The 3 lights kit is so small, lightweight and simple that I don't even need an assistant to help me on the day. If I need to do something like this previously, there will be a full production team with at least 1 to 2 assistants on set. Here is the image without any light. This is the image with only 1 light that was used. Here's the image with only 2 lights. As you can see, using 3 lights gives the image the perfect touch. With the AD100 Pro 3 light backpack kit, it was so simple to pack up and so light to carry, it only took me a matter of minutes to pack everything up in a small backpack ready for my next afternoon shoot. Our ballerina Elle just blows my mind with what she can do. As soon as I saw this door, I knew I had to shoot there. Rather than simply having Elle standing next to the door, I wanted to communicate how feathered, light and angelic Elle really is. I want her to float in this image. Knowing how feathered light she is, I knew that the door will have no problem supporting her. End of the day, I do not want to injure Elle or do any kind of damage to this antique door or the property that the owner have kindly allowed me to photograph here. The lighting setup for this is so simple. One on the left and another on the right. To make the light even softer on Elle's skin, I chose to use a silver umbrella and a translucent umbrella over the AD100 Pro to bounce the light back into Elle's body. Check out the image when there was no light used at all. And now check out when only 1 light was used with an umbrella. Now you can see why 2 lights is a must to produce this image. If I can access the property and put another light behind the gate, I will make this image pop even more. The next image I want to show you is something that is more moody and how easy this is to create using the Godox lighting kit. With the included AKR1 small light modifier kit, I was able to use color gel to create this image. On the left, I placed the orange gel on the AD100 Pro and bounced the light off the silver umbrella to produce a softer yet slightly stronger orange glow compared with using a translucent umbrella. With the other AD100 Pro to illuminate the tree with a simple blue gel.
That's amazing.
Check out the image when no light was used and when just 1 light was used. Having the flexibility of multiple AD100 Pro, you can create whatever your vision desire. I cannot explain how lucky I was with my next shoot. Check out the amazing sunset. Sunsets like this do not last long. But with the simplicity of the AD100 Pro lighting kit, I still have time to set up 3 lights to illuminate this image and to freeze Elle dancing in mid-air. Check out the difference with no light all the way to a 3 light setup. This is the image with no light. The next image with only 1 AD100 Pro shooting through a translucent umbrella. A second light simply on the floor with an orange gel to give it a little more warmth in the background. And a dirt at the back to make Elle truly pop in mid-air. I purposely waited until it was getting dark for my next image to help bring my next vision to life. This shoot, I only used 2 lights, but I wish that I've actually put in a dirt light to lift the shadow a bit more from the left. Please check out what the photo looked like when only natural light was used. Now the difference with a simple one light setup shooting through a translucent umbrella. When you add in a second light, this is where the image is taken to another level.
Wow.
You did it. Oh my god.
That's
I think we got a good collection tonight. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
The king of ballerina. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the behind the scene of me taking you guys through an on-location portrait shoot. The 80-100 Pro 3-light kit is so simple and so easy to use that no assistance required, and this is never something I was able to do in the past. Please make sure you subscribe to the official Godox channel for further tutorial and tips. Thank you for watching. My name is Ky. Hope to see you guys next time.